deriving the dimension of pressure. So we start off with some of the fundamental quantities and their respective units. Mass, which has the unit m, length, which has its units L, and time, which has its unit denoted as T. So these are the fundamental quantities and units we're going to be using to derive pressure. Pressure can be defined as the force per unit area of an object. Knowing force is mass times acceleration, can find dimension of force. Then we know mass is a fundamental quantity and it's denoted with units m, and the acceleration, which is a derived quantity such as force, can be gotten from its formula: velocity over time taken. Okay, now we know that velocity is a derived quantity, so we have to derive the formula, which is displacement over time taken. Displacement has the unit L and time has the unit T. Knowing the dimension of velocity and time, we can find acceleration. Okay, dimension of velocity is length over time. Then the time is also denoted as t. So acceleration is length over time over t, which is short notion of velocity over time taken. The formula for acceleration that we use to derive the formula. Now we can find force, which is mass times acceleration. So I've gotten the dimension for acceleration. I'm going to impute it there and add it together to form the dimension of force. Okay, I'm going to add everything together and to give us the dimension of force over time. Great. Moving on. Definition of area is pretty easy, since we know that area is equals to length times breadth, which are both measured in length and can have their unit as L square. Okay, now we can go ahead and find the dimension of pressure. Now pressure is equal to force times area, so we're going to impute all the dimensions into this formula. So I've gotten the dimension of force as m L over T, and over area, which is L square. So L cancels out, then we can therefore can have pressure as dimension of pressure will now equal m over L over T over T. So this is the derivation of pressure. The full article can be gotten from the description box below, so be sure to go there and get the complete article. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bar for more notifications.